Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional gig on Fiverr in 2025. Step by step, whether you are a freelancer just getting started or want to polish your profile, this guide will help you create your first gig that actually gets noticed. Before you create a gig, make sure your Fiverr profile is complete. Add a professional photo, a short bio describing your skills, languages, skills, and certifications, if applicable. Clients look at your profile before placing orders, so keep it clear and friendly. Go to your dashboard and click on your profile icon, then become uh, select switch to selling. Now from my business tab, click gigs. Now click create a new gig. Fiverr will guide you through several sections. Gig title, like keep it specific. Example, I will design a modern logo in 24 hours. Select category, choose accurately graphic design, like graphic design, then logo design. From here, logo type 3D, cartoon, or anyone. Logo type abstract. Now search tags, add up add up to 5 keywords your buyers might search for. Example, logo, then enter. Business logo, minimalist design. Now click the checkbox, then click save and continue. First step done. Now define your packages. You can offer one, two, three, one, two, or three basic, standard, and premium. Name each package, add what's included like number of revision, delivery time. So follow this process. Open a new tab, search for Fiverr again. Now log into your account. Now from your accounts, select switch to buying. Now follow your competitor, like search for logo design. Now follow these steps. Create basic, name your package like basic. You will start just $5. Okay. Describe your details like one basic logos, unlimited revisions are JPEG, PNG, and paste here. Delivery time 4 days. Select revision unlimited. Then click price. Then enter $5 for basic. Now click on standard. Copy and paste same as basics tab. Copy and paste. Or you can change something from here, then click the premium section, then copy and paste, copy and paste. I'm just copying and pasting. You should change everything, okay? Then select delivery time, select your revision, then select your price 15, 30. Now you can add extra services from here, then click save and continue. This is where you sell your service. Write a clearly what the buyer will get, your working process, and why you are different. Example, I will design a clean professional logo tailored to your brand. You will receive like that. I will design a clean professional logo tailored to your brand. You will receive high resolution PNG, JPEG, JPG, and vector files. Unlimited revisions until you are 100% happy. Also add 2 to 3 FAQs to answer common questions from here. Click save. And here now upload at least 1 gig image. Make it bright, bold, and relevant. You can also add a short gig video like 30 to 75 seconds to boost views and upload a PDF if needed. Once done, click publish. Your gig goes live. Here are 3 quick tips to get your gig noticed. Use clear thumbnails and catchy titles. Share your gig on social media. Stay online frequently to appear active. Always deliver on time and provide excellent communication. Your first few 5-star reviews will help you grow faster on Fiverr, and that's how you create a Fiverr gig in 2025 with consistency and quality. You can build a successful freelancing career. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with your gig niche or questions. Keep in mind the description should be at least 120 character long. So, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.